Hello friends, welcome back to SmartSPAN. Today I am here in IKEA Home Furnishings, Bangalore, and this is a complete walkthrough through the store. Please don't forget to support my channel. I am so much excited to be here, and let us get started.
Welcome to the world of IKEA, where affordability meets stylish design. Whether you're an IKEA enthusiast or a first-time shopper, this video is your passport to a world of functional and fabulous home solutions. IKEA is a multinational conglomerate, known for its ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, and home accessories. IKEA was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad in Älmhult, Sweden. IKEA is famous for its unique retail concept. IKEA has a global presence with stores in numerous countries around the world. The company has become a symbol of Swedish design and is recognized internationally. IKEA has embraced technology, introducing online shopping, augmented reality apps for visualizing furniture in a space, and smart home products. IKEA is involved in various community and social initiatives. The company supports causes related to children, education, and environmental sustainability through its foundation and partnerships with various organizations. Whether you're furnishing a new home, looking for budget-friendly options, or simply seeking inspiration for home decor, IKEA has become a go-to destination for many consumers worldwide. I'm feeling hungry, so I'm heading to get something for breakfast. No visit to IKEA is complete without indulging in the Swedish culinary delights and local cuisine at the in-store restaurant. The restaurant is self-service, where you take your food in a wheeled trolley and pay as you take it to your table. The quantity and quality of the food is very good. The initial idea behind IKEA's food stores was to provide food to customers in the store so that they hang around for longer. The menu included everything from the iconic Swedish meatballs to tasty salmon dishes and vegetarian options. I opted for the iconic meatballs. You also can have various other options like cheesecake, chicken curry and rice, buns, nuggets, potato wedges, soup of the day, muffins and many other. Let's go explore the shop right now. There is a plenty of home decor at low prices. It's a one-stop shop for all of your home-related requirements. The store is divided into different sections, each showcasing a specific category of products. Whether you're looking for bedroom essentials, kitchen gadgets, or just some stylish home accessories, IKEA has got you covered. Let's check out some of the must-visit sections. The bedroom section is a dream come true for anyone looking to revamp their sleeping space. From cozy bed frames to trendy bedside tables, you'll find it all. And don't even get me started on the kitchen section. It's a culinary paradise with innovative gadgets and stylish dinnerware. Let's take a closer look. While the main sections are fantastic, don't forget to explore some hidden corners. You might stumble upon unique items or amazing deals that often go unnoticed. IKEA is known for its budget-friendly options, and you'll be surprised by the gems you can find in the bargain bins or clearance sections. It's like a treasure hunt, but for furniture. One of the coolest things about IKEA is the interactive spaces. Look at these perfectly designed rooms. It's like a real-life Pinterest board. And the best part? You can visualize how everything will look in your own home. Let's explore the sofa collection together. IKEA is known for its diverse range of sofas. From sleek and modern to classic and comfy, they've got it all. If you're looking for something more expansive, check out the sectional sofas. Perfect for creating a cozy corner or making a statement in your living room, these sofas are not just stylish but also incredibly practical. One of my personal favorites is the modular sofa collection. It allows you to customize your seating arrangement according to your space and preferences. Plus, the range of colors and fabrics is mind-blowing. For those of you who love multifunctional furniture, IKEA has a fantastic collection of sofa beds. Ideal for accommodating guests, or creating a quick sleeping space, these sofa beds are a game changer. The materials used are not only durable, but also eco-friendly, aligning with IKEA's commitment to sustainability. I highly recommend checking out their sofa collection. One of the most attractive aspects of IKEA is its commitment to affordability. The reasonable prices don't compromise on quality. From stylish furniture to innovative decor and everything in between, IKEA has become synonymous with affordable and chic home furnishings. IKEA is not just a store, it's a haven for budget-conscious shoppers. Worried about transporting or assembling your new furniture? IKEA's got you covered. Take advantage of their delivery services to get your purchases right to your doorstep. And for those dreading the assembly process, opt for their assembly service for a hassle-free experience. Spruce up your living space with a wide array of decor items. Cushions, rugs, curtains, and wall art are just a few of the options available, allowing you to add a personal touch to every corner of your home. Transform your kitchen into a functional and stylish space with IKEA's kitchen essentials. From cookware to utensils, storage solutions, and even trendy tableware, you'll find everything you need to elevate your culinary experience. IKEA is renowned for its innovative storage solutions. Explore a plethora of options for organizing your belongings, including shelves, cabinets, and storage boxes. Maximize space in a stylish and efficient manner. Create your own sanctuary with IKEA's bedroom offerings. From comfortable mattresses and stylish bed frames to wardrobe solutions, the bedroom section caters to various tastes, ensuring a good night's sleep in a space you love. Keep your home spick and span with IKEA's cleaning and organizing products. Explore a range of cleaning tools, laundry baskets, and organizational items designed to simplify your daily routines. Bring a touch of nature into your home with a selection of indoor plants and plant accessories. Elevate your decor with easy-to-maintain greenery that adds a breath of fresh air to any room. IKEA caters to the little ones too. Discover a delightful range of children's furniture, toys, and decor that combine fun and functionality, ensuring a playful and safe environment for your kids. For do-it-yourself enthusiasts, IKEA offers a variety of tools and materials for home improvement projects. Whether you're looking to revamp your space or tackle a small do-it-yourself task, You'll find the essentials here. And that concludes our wonderful journey through IKEA Bangalore. From the vibrant showroom displays to the budget-friendly finds and everything in between, it's been a fantastic experience exploring the vast array of home furnishings. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our future explorations. Signing off from IKEA Bangalore, where affordable meets stylish, and home furnishing is truly an experience. Until next time, happy decorating.